Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what kind of timer you're stopping and why. Once you know whether it's a countdown timer, a handler callback, an alarm manager alarm, work manager job, or a scheduled executor, locate its instance in the activity, service, or broadcast receiver. Make sure you can access that instance from the lifecycle point where you intend to cancel it. If it's created in another class, prepare a reference or provide a public cancel method. This prevents lingering callbacks after you stop the UI. Once done, write the cancellation logic where the lifecycle dictates on pause, on stop, on destroy, or in a service shutdown. For countdown timer call cancel. For handler remove callbacks, runnable. For scheduled executor service cancel its future. For alarm manager call cancel, pending intent. For work manager use cancel unique work or by ID. Also unregister any broadcast receiver tied to timer events and clear notifications if the timer posted one. Make sure cancellations run on the appropriate thread to finish by validating the stop. Run the app, rotate the device, background, and kill the process to ensure the timer no longer fires. Add logs after cancel calls and inspect Logcat for stray executions. If things go wrong, ensure you null out references and synchronize access so multiple cancel calls don't race. One key troubleshooting tip: if the timer still fires, search for duplicate instances or pending intents that were recreated. Cancel the exact pending intent or track and cancel all created timers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.